Hi everyone, this is Sakura Yubi. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple and delicious dish using leafy greens in Shio Koji. We Japanese call a dish like this Aemono. Aemono is a dish where vegetables or other ingredients are mixed with seasonings. This dish is super easy and quick to make and excellent when you want some greens. So let's get started. First, we are going to cook the leaf vegetable. I'll show you how to do it easily using microwave oven. First, lay 1 or 2 sheets of plastic wrap on the table. Then, wash the leaf vegetable of your choice and then place it on the plastic wrap. I'm using komatsuna today. Then cover it with another layer of plastic wrap and wrap the vegetable completely. Pop this in the microwave oven and cook it at 600 watts for 3 minutes or until the vegetable is cooked. Then take it out of the microwave oven and let the wrapped vegetable rest in cold water until it is cooled. Once the vegetable is cooled, squeeze it and drain water out of it as much as you can. Then remove the wrap and chop the vegetable to bite-sized pieces. And add them to a bowl. Then add a little bit of Shio Koji and mix well. Have a taste and add more Shio Koji according to your taste. Okay, let's go ahead and plate this and sprinkle some sesame seeds. You can use bonito flakes instead too. And we're done. This was so delicious. The vegetable was fresh and crunchy, and I can really appreciate all the nice flavors like saltiness, umami, and sweetness from Shio Koji. I make this every few days and it's a nice and easy way to stay healthy. So give this a try and let me know how it went, okay? And that is it for today. Check out sakurayubi.com for the ingredient amounts. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. It will mean the world to me. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!